Fritz Nelson with TechWeb TV. We're here at the Storage Vision Show at CES 2011 in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Drew Garcia, who is with SugarSync. SugarSync is a technology that lets you take your data and put it in the cloud and get to it from any device, especially mobile devices, and you run on many platforms. Which platforms?
Yes, on the desktop we run on both Mac and PC, and we have the broadest mobile coverage around. We support Blackberry, Android, iOS, iPad, iPod Touch, iPhone, Symbian, Windows Mobile. I think that's it.
I think you got them all. That's a lot of them.
Yes.
So we're going to take a quick look at how it works. So let's get started.
Good. Okay. Okay, so both of these demo computers are running SugarSync, but I want to give you a quick glimpse on what my account looks like. In this particular account, I have 3 computers. This is my home computer here, the one that I'm using. I have a MacBook Air that's next to me, and I have a third computer that I didn't bring. But all of these are folders from this computer that are being synchronized to the cloud. We have a lot of flexibility. You can pick any folder from your computer to synchronize to the cloud. Now on top of it, SugarSync gives you the ability to synchronize some of those folders directly to your other computers. So this Travel Docs folder is synchronized from this laptop to the laptop next to me.
So there you mean it's not just going to the cloud, but it's actually storing that data on the other computer.
That's right. You'll get the best of both worlds. You can access the data through the cloud, but if you use both computers frequently, you can actually just go to the other laptop, open up the hard drive, and go straight to the file on the computer.
And explain Magic Briefcase. It sounds very magical.
Magic Briefcase is a folder that we create automatically, and it's synchronized across all of your devices. And we added that folder just so that people have an easy way to get started. You know, if you don't want to go through the exercise of setting up all your folders, you can just hop right in and drag files into the Magic Briefcase and you're up and running.
Got it.
So let me show you, the nice thing is it all works in the background. So once you set that up, it's pretty much set and forget. So I'm going to create a new file called the sync file, and I'm going to save it to that travel documents folder. And I'll create a new folder called demo, and I'll save the file. And that's it. So I didn't do anything special in SugarSync, but if you look at the top, you'll see that SugarSync has immediately detected the file and is uploading it to the cloud. So we've invested in a push synchronization architecture. So we don't poll, we don't wait every 5 minutes and check or once a day. The second that file is saved, we push it to the cloud.
Can I time it for when I want? Let's say I'm traveling and I've got low bandwidth.
No, the way it works today is it's a real-time push synchronization. But the nice thing is we synchronize only the deltas, only the parts of the file that have changed. So it's actually a pretty efficient synchronization.
Okay, so let's see what it looks like on the other computer. Now we're on the baby cousin, the MacBook Air. So what am I going to see here?
So we're going to do something pretty basic. I'm going to open up the file system. And I'm just going to go to that Travel Docs folder, and we'll see a new folder called Demo. And there's the file we just created. So within seconds, SugarSync is moving all of this data across all of the devices that you need. So we can add a new line, call this the second line, and we'll save this and close it. And the same thing happens in reverse. SugarSync will immediately detect the file, synchronize it to the cloud, and then also to my other devices.
All right, let's take a look at one of the other devices. This is SugarSync on Blackberry. So let's take a look and see what we see here.
Okay, so I've already installed the SugarSync application on my Blackberry, and it's really cool. I have access to all of my computers. There's my home computer, my Mac Air, the work PC. So I have access to everything from my mobile device. So let's go into that home computer. We'll go into the Travel Docs folder, and there's the demo folder. And there's the file. So the nice thing is I can open up this file on the device and I can view all of the content. But a lot of these mobile devices come with mobile editors.
Right.
So I can actually go in and make changes to this file. So go ahead and type a new line from BB for Blackberry, and we'll save that change. And SugarSync detects that I made an edit and prompts me to save it back to the cloud. So within seconds, this file is going to go back up to the cloud in the same way it went from the computers, and then will be synchronized back to the hard drives of the computers on the table.
Okay.
There we go.
So let's take a look at, I guess, Android next.
Okay.
I feel like we're attorneys proving the case at every step of the way here. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab running Android. I see SugarSync.
That's right. We're going to start by opening up the SugarSync application. And here are my computers. There's the home computer, the work computer, and the MacBook Air. So the same way, I can drill down in that home computer. There's the Travel Docs folder. There's the demo folder. And there's the file we created. And Android as well has document editors. So I'm going to open this up in Word to Go, and we're going to view the changes that we just made. We're going to go ahead and add a new line. And I'll put from Android.
And obviously this will work from any Android phone as
That's
well.
right. That's right. And again, it prompts me to upload, so I hit yes. So within seconds, again, that file is safe and secure in the cloud, as well as synced to my other devices.
Okay, now we're going to come back to the comfy world of Apple on
Yes,
the iPad.
yes.
I'm betting everything pretty much looks the same now that we're on the iPad, so let's show some of the other features here.
Okay, so I'm going to open up SugarSync on the iPad. Of course, I have access to all of my computers. I want to show you one thing. Let's go to that folder that we created, Demo. Now, a lot of people are buying these for travel. It's a travel companion device. You end up on the plane trying to use this a lot. So we have the ability to synchronize entire folders locally to the iPad and to the Android and iPhone so that you can browse and use those files when you're offline, for example, on a plane. Now, we also do some fun stuff. Let me start by showing the photos. We'll automatically create photo galleries for any folder that contains photos. And then this is really nice. In real time, I can stream all of my photos. So if I run into a friend on the street, I don't have to remember to have synchronized those files, those photos in advance. Just kind of pull up my app and show them whatever I want. And I have about 80 gigabytes of photos. And I have access to everything because I'm streaming them in real time from the cloud. I don't have to worry about how much storage I actually have on the device. Now, the other thing that we do for fun is music. So I'm going to go to my music, and I've synchronized my music from my home computer, and I can stream that music to my mobile devices. This works well on 3G or Wi-Fi. You could also choose to synchronize that music directly to the device if you're going to be offline and want to be able to play it as well.
If you don't want to use the built-in.
The band, yeah. Oh, that's right, yeah.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
SugarSync is now offering plans of 5 gigs for free. If you want to have a premium service, say 30 gigs, that costs $5 a month, 60 gigs for $10 a month, 100 gigs for $15 a month. It goes all the way up to 500 gigs. There are also small business plans where you can pool storage as well. This has been Fritz Nelson for TechWeb TV from CES 2011 in Las Vegas.